Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing with new Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Glam Bag for the month of May. These were sent to me by Ipsy. They did send these over to me so I can share with you guys the products that you could be getting in your subscription boxes. So yeah, if you want to know what products I received, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got in my bag for the regular Glam Bag. This does retail for $12 a month, so if you guys are interested, I will leave a link down below so you guys can check their site out. The first product I have to share with you guys that's in here is this Self-Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen. I have been horrible about using a sunscreen, but during the VIB sale I did pick up the Super Goop sunscreen, so I have been using that, which actually I forgot to apply today, but I've been using that more consistently than like not using it at all. But this will be nice to have like a little travel size SPF to take with me. I haven't heard about this brand or haven't heard much about this product either, so yeah, sunscreen's pretty nice because we all need that SPF. Next up in here is the Solution Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. It says it has wheat protein, botanical cleansing agents, grapefruit peel oil. It's a daily multitasking advanced cleanser that dissolves impurities, removes dead skin, excess oil, and or makeup in one simple step. This is a pretty good size product. You get 0.68 fluid ounces. Again, another product I haven't heard about, but we all need a facial cleanser. Next up in here is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Repairs and strengthens all types of hair. So I believe this is like a leave-in treatment. I do have a full size of this that I have yet to use. I've had it, let's say, over 6 months, maybe more for sure. So this is nice. I did have my hair girl use this like treatment on me one time at the salon, and my hair was so soft, so I just need to use it. I probably should be putting that in a project pan so I can actually get some more use out of my full size, since I do have a full size of this. But this will be nice for my daughter to try as well. She has thick hair and it's long, and I think her hair will benefit a lot using this product here. The last mini size I have is this ABH matte lipstick in the shade Dead Roses. I did have a full size of this, but I did end up decluttering it, so I'm not going to swatch this. This is more like a deeper everyday kind of nude shade. Again, I did have a full size. This formula is a little too matte for my liking, but yeah, again, I did have a full size and I did end up decluttering that. Actually, there is one more product and it is a full size. It's a brush here. So this is the Complex Culture. I got the eye crease definer. Oh, this is interesting. The packaging's pretty cute, but here's what this looks like. It does have that pointed tip there. I think this will be good for like crease work, and obviously it's a crease defining, easy crease definer, so makes sense. Yeah, it's pretty soft. I like the packaging. It's really like fancy. I really like it. So yeah, that is what I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag. So now let's go ahead and unbox the Plus. The bag is super cute, definitely perfect for like Mother's Day. So the first product I have in here is actually a mascara by Milk Makeup. They did send over the Boom shade. I'm assuming this is just like in black. I have tried a mini size of this and I thought it was pretty good. So now I have this big full size, and the packaging on this is really heavy. I wonder if it's like metal. It probably is, right? Like the packaging, it's super heavy. So we got that. Next product I got is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip in the shade Rose. I haven't even seen these at all. So here is the outer packaging. Juicy Lip. Is this like a... I thought it would be like a lip balm type. So you're just clicking it for the product to come up, which is pretty nifty. Ooh, that feels pretty good. Oh, it is kind of creamy, so you kind of can't go super like heavy-handed because it is a cream. Doesn't, well, I guess it has a slight scent to it. Oh, this is like extra creamy. Okay, So I did get this product as well. Have you guys tried this product out? What do you guys think of it? It looks like from the packaging, it's just kind of like a normal lipstick, but you do have to do the clicky thing to get the product up. I think that's pretty cool, but I've noticed with products that you can't like twist and it just does it kind of like you're clicking it. You can't put it back down, so you definitely have to be careful how many times you click because you won't be able to get the product to come back down. Next up, I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fly Pencil Longwear Eyeliner in the shade Cause I'm Black. And I'm assuming it's just a black liner. I wonder if this is... I don't think this is the felt tip one. Let me see. Nope, this is just a regular... Oh, this is one of those because I have one of these in Spaghetti Straps and it's like a coral shade. Oh, okay. So, yeah, it's just a black liner, so I am not going to swatch that just yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or put it in a future giveaway. Next up, I got the Avant Pro Collagen Isododecane Trolamine Proflaton Caprilate. What the heck? This is a Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. It's a Primer Pro Perfector. Oh my gosh. This is a 1 ounce. Look how small this looks. And this is actually kind of like the size of a full-size foundation. I was kind of thinking like, wow, this is really small. But it's not a deluxe size. It's a 1 size. I looked up on the Glam Bag Plus. And this was part of you getting it on the Glam Bag Plus. Because sometimes they send things like just... thrown in the box, or some things in this one where they actually don't come in this bag. But yeah, I don't know. It's just a perfecting primer. Oh, okay, so it's a primer. I thought it was a hair product even after reading all that. Okay, so it's a primer. Cool. Okay, cool. I will probably most likely be using that. And then the last product in here is the Hey Honey Open Your Eyes Lifting Eye Serum. Smooths lines and reduces puffiness. I don't really suffer from puffiness. I do have lines and of course dark circles, so I'm always looking forward to trying new eye products out. Let me kind of open it and see what kind of applicator it has. Oh, it's just kind of like a tubey applicator there, so I was kind of hoping it might have had like the metal applicator. This is it tightens the skin and reduces puffiness. So I can always go for a tightening product because I am getting older. But again, I don't really suffer from puffy eyes. I just have dark circles and fine lines. So yeah, those are all the products I got in both of the bags. Are you subscribed to Ipsy? Are you interested in subscribing? What do you think of the bags? Let me know down below. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!